Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java web application project which is entitled as Distilled Water Management System. Before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So we all know that water is a very essential for every human being, even though plenty of water is available in the earth, but we cannot drink all the water which is available because maximum water is a sea water or it is impure water. So nowadays we are using the distilled or purified water which is supplied by a supplier. So this project will be making a management system of the distilled water, so where the orders can be taken place in online, on the water testing is done in by the tester, and also the transporter transports the order to the user, and these trackings are updated to the admin part. So this is the abstract of the project which contains the details that I have mentioned. So which as I mentioned, we have the entities like admin, user, tester and transporters. And this is about the existing system which uses the manual process and disadvantages of the existing system. And this is the proposed system which contains the details that I have mentioned, and these are all the advantages of the proposed system. And here you can see the system architecture which contains the admin, tester, transporter and user with the details of it served in a web server. So these are the modules that is used and what are the module functionalities. These all things is mentioned in this document, and we have developed this project in Java, and the IDE used is Apache NetBeans IDE 16, and database is used for MySQL. So now let us see the execution of the project. So first open Apache NetBeans IDE 16. So now we need to import the project into the NetBeans IDE 16. So just click the file menu and click open project. Now go to the project source code location. So in the source code folder you can find this DWMS Distilled Water Management System and click open project. Now kindly wait till the complete project is being loaded into the NetBeans IDE. So meanwhile let us attach the database in the MySQL. So just go to the MySQL administrator, just log in with the credentials of username and password as root, and then click OK. So now here you can see the restore option. Just select this restore option and then click the open backup file. Now go to the project source code location, where you can find the database folder. Now you need to select the database in it and then click start restore. So now you can see the restore operation was finished successfully message and click close. So now we can close this MySQL administrator part because we have successfully attached the database. Now coming back to the NetBeans IDE 16, so it is going to finish. So now it is completely it is imported into the NetBeans IDE. So now let us execute the project. So just right click the project and then click run. Now kindly wait till the project is been transferred to the browser part. So now as for the authentication, I have given admin, so click OK. So now it is transferred to the browser part, where you can find the home page or welcome to the project with the project title Distilled Water Management System and abstract that is mentioned in it, the home screen. And here you can see the entities users, admin, tester, transporter. So now let us see the details one by one. First thing is like I'll go to the admin part. So admin is a single entity, so just enter the default username and password as admin and admin AS caps and then click the login button. So now you can see the login success message and click OK. So now you can see the admin home page. So admin has the option of adding the product, view orders, transports, logout. So everything is empty because just now we are executing the project. So first thing is like let us add few products in it. So let's first select the product image. So make sure that the image is smaller size, don't make so bigger size, and weight in liters is 20 liters. Expiry date, you can just click this calendar and you can select the expiry date. Let me select 31st December 2023. And what is the manufacture date? You can select, let me select today, 27/7/2023, and price is 50 rupees. Let me add it 50 rupees and click upload. So now you can see the product is added, and click message and click OK. So now if you go to view orders, you can see the product is not viewed here because it should be approved by the tester. So even though the product is successfully added into the admin, it will not be viewed to the user or the admin also. Only if the tester is up to date, it will be viewed it. So now let me log out and go to the tester part. So tester is also a single entity, so you need to log in with the default username and password as tester and tester, the T caps, and then click the login button. So now you can see the home screen, welcome screen of the tester home page, and now you can see the quality check option. Just click this quality check. So now you can see whatever the product that is being added by the admin, it will be viewed here. And here you can see the ID of the product and what is the weight, expiry date, manufacture date, and price and status of it. It has been showing waiting because it should be approved by the tester. Once if it is rejected, it will not be shown to user and it will not be gone for the admin also. So now let me show you with the approve. So now first let me select approve. So now you can see the product is approved and status has been updated to approved. So now let me log out and again go to the admin. So in the admin, if you go to view product, now you can see the product which I have added is been shown here. So weight is 20 liter, expiry date, manufacture date, price, status is approved. So now let me log out. So now let me go to the users part. So in the users part, you need to log in with the credentials. So I don't have any credentials. So let me create a new account, So let me enter the name as JP, qualification, phone number, email ID, select user type, whichever you wanted, select. Let me select as teacher, communication address as Pondicherry, and let me click type password as JP and repeat password as JP, and then click register account. So now you can see the registration success message and click OK. So now it will be navigated to the sign in page where you need to enter the email ID and the password that you have used during the registration. So now let me enter my details and click OK. So now login is success and click OK. So now you can see the user home page. So here we have the options of view orders and my orders. So if you click view product, you can see the product that has been added. So there is only one product which is added right now by the admin, so that has been shown here. So here you can see the orders placed by the users. So currently this user does not place any order, so it is empty. So now let me log out. So now let me go to the admin and let me add few more products and show you. So now let me go to add product option. Let me select an image and then container 25, expiry date as December, let me select February 29, 2024, manufacture date as today, and price is as 60 rupees, and then click upload product. So now the product is added. And now let me go to the another products, 2000 liter can, container weight is about 2000 liters, expire date as April 2024, manufacture date as today, and price is around 6000 rupees, and then click upload product. So now I have added two products. Now let me add a final product with this image, container weight 25 liters, let me add 30 liters, let me add the expiry date as today, and let me add the manufacture date as very old date, and let me add the price as 30 rupees, and then click upload product. So now I have added three products. So now let me go to the tester part to approve it. So log in with the tester credentials and go to the quality check. So now you can see the products which is approved is first product that I have done earlier. So here now we have done three things that has been waiting part. So first let me approve this 25 liters as 60 rupees as approved. So it has been approved. and this is 6,000 liters, sorry 2,000 liters at 6,000 rupees. Let me approve it. That's that also. And final case, this is been I updated the expiry as 27/7/2023, so the tester is not approving. Let me reject it. So now you can see it is been rejected and it's been updated as rejected. So now let me log out, and if we go to the admin part, if you go to the view products, you can see the product which is added first. Now we have added 2 products that is being shown. So now you can see the products that been added, and you can see the rejected item is not shown here. And also in the user part, the same applies. So in the view product option, you can see only the 3 product that is been given is been shown, and it is not shown with the product that is rejected. So now let me buy this product 20 liters can, which is 50 rupees. So now let me select the quantity as 2, and let me select the delivery date. So which delivery date you wanted, you can select, and time you can select it. So now let me select delivery date as 28/7/2023 and then click buy. So now you can see the price is 50 rupees. I have selected 2 quantities, so the total is 100 rupees. So it automatically calculates that, and tax is 18%, so the grand total is 118 rupees. So this calculation is done automatically. So once if you go back and let me click the quantity as 5 and click buy, you can see the price is updated as 250 and the tax is updated for 45, 295 rupees. So in this way the calculation is made automatically, and now the customer, the user places the order. You can see the order placed successfully message and click OK. So now you can see in my orders, you can see the order which is placed, that is order ID, what is the detail of the product, which is 20 liter cans and 5 numbers in it. So what is the delivery date and what is the delivery place, who is the user ID. So here you can see transporter ID, it is waiting. So price is updated and status is waiting. So these 2 should be approved by the admin, and then only the status will be shown here. So now let me log out from this part. So now let me go to the admin part. So once the order is being placed, the admin should approve that. So then go to the view orders. Now you can see what all the orders that is available, it will be shown in this place. Currently there is only 1 order, so that is shown with the order ID and all the details which I have shown you. And now the admin approves it. So just click approve. So once the order is approved, the admin allocates the transporter ID. So I have told you that there is a module called transporter. So in this project we have created default 3 transporter 1, transporter 2 and transporter 3. So the admin should allocate any one of the transporter for this order. So let me select the transporter T1 and what is the delivery place, and then click approve. So now you can see it is waiting for the delivery. Now the admin has approved it. So once the admin has approved and allocated the transporter, so now the transporter should log in. So just click this transporter login. So as I said you, there is 3 transporters, each has the ID. So I have given you in the notepad, transporter 1 username and password, transporter 2 username and password, transporter 3 username and password. So now I'll go to the transporter 1 login. Enter the username and password of the transporter 1, and once if you go to the transport orders, you can see the order that is given is shown in the transporter 1. So in case, let me log out and go to the transporter 2 and show. So let me log in with the transporter 2 now and go to the transport orders. Here you can see there is no any order because the admin has allocated that order only to the transporter 1, so it will not be shown to the transporter 2 or 3. So now let me log in into the transporter 1 part itself. So T1 and the password of the transporter 1, and then click login. So it will be navigated to the transporter home page, and here you can see the transport order. So first thing is like we need to add a vehicle for this transport. So transporter has the option of adding a vehicle. So let me add the vehicle name as Tata ACE and vehicle size as 3000, and then click add. So now the vehicle is being added successfully. So now let me go to the transport orders. So now here you can see the order ID and everything. So now the transporter takes the order. So just click add vehicle. So here you can see the order ID, vehicle ID. So here whenever we are adding a vehicle, it will be displayed in this menu. So if you wanted to add some other vehicle, you can add a vehicle here. So now let me add other vehicle called Mahindra Mini. Let me take a size as like this and then add. So now if you go to the transport orders and argue this, so here you can see Mahindra Mini, which I have added, is also shown here. So now the transporter can select which vehicle he is choosing and also delivery place and what is the starting time. So now let me select the starting time as now, today, and then click transport. So now you can see the order is being taken by this transporter and waiting for the delivery. So now if the delivery person delivers the product, so just click the delivery menu. So now you can see the status is waiting. So now just click the confirm delivery. So now the delivery person already taken this order, all the details updated. See, he wants to update the reaching time. So now I have reached the place. So let me update the thing as 28/7/2023 and then click confirm delivery. So now you can see the status has been updated to delivered. So whatever the product that is given to this transporter is being delivered successfully. So now let me log out. Now if we go to the admin part, so the admin can see the transport details. That is, what is the order ID, what is the transporter ID it is been allocated, and what is the delivery place, which is the starting time, and what is the reaching time, and what is the vehicle ID. So I have added the Tata AC as first one, so that is been shown as vehicle ID 1, which vehicle he has used. Everything has been updated and final status is been delivered. So the admin sees the complete tracking of the order which is being placed. So now let me log out from this part. Now let me go to the users part. So in the users part, let me log in, and if you go to the my orders part, so here you can see the order ID which is placed. Earlier we have seen the status was waiting. Now you can see the status, it is been delivered. So in this way the orders have been received by the users and it is given to the admin, and admin approves it, and then it sends to the transporter, and when a new product is been added by the admin, it is been approved by the tester. So in this way the complete distilled water management system is being done successfully. And this is all about the project Distilled Water Management System using Java and. Thank you for watching.